Have you ever wondered if a fintech stock could be the next Tesla or Amazon of the financial world? Today, we're rediving into SoFi Technologies' latest earnings report and exploring whether this stock is truly on the verge of exploding or if investors need to tread carefully. SoFi, short for social finance, started back in 2011 with a simple goal: to make student loan refinancing easier and cheaper. Over the years, it has transformed into a full-fledged financial ecosystem offering loans, investing, insurance, banking, and even cryptocurrency trading. Unlike traditional banks, SoFi has built its business on a digital-first model, appealing to younger generations who prefer doing everything from their smartphones. That innovative approach has allowed them to quickly grow their user base. Now, let's get into the numbers. In their most recent earnings report, SoFi announced revenue of $1.54 billion, a massive 35% increase year over year. Even more impressive, they reported a net income of $44.6 million, compared to a loss in the same quarter last year. For a fintech company still considered to be in its growth stage, posting a profitable quarter is a major milestone. Membership also surged, showing millions of users are choosing SoFi as their main financial hub. Breaking it down further, SoFi's revenue comes from three main segments. First, the lending segment, which includes student loans, personal loans, and home loans, continues to be their bread and butter. Second, their technology platform, which powers services for other companies, is steadily expanding and creating recurring revenue. Finally, their financial services segment, which covers investing, crypto, and banking products, is showing rapid growth and helping SoFi diversify beyond just lending. This diversified business model is one of the reasons analysts are optimistic about SoFi's future. Another big win for SoFi was obtaining a bank charter in 2022, which allows them to operate as an official bank. This gives them a competitive edge because they can now hold deposits and lend money directly, reducing costs and boosting profits. Add to that their focus on cross-selling. For example, a customer who starts with a personal loan might later open a SoFi bank account or begin trading crypto on their platform, and you can see how SoFi is building long-term loyalty. Investors are also paying attention to SoFi's push into cryptocurrency and digital assets. While the crypto market can be volatile, SoFi's entry into this space gives them exposure to a fast-growing industry and aligns with their goal of being a one-stop financial platform. At the same time, SoFi has been growing its investing platform, where customers can trade stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares, making it appealing for new investors who want easy access to markets. So what does Wall Street think? Analysts have started upgrading their outlook on SoFi. Many highlight its accelerating revenue growth, improving profitability, and strong management team led by CEO Anthony Noto. Some even compare SoFi's growth story to early days of PayPal and Square. On social media, retail investors are also buzzing with excitement, calling SoFi a potential breakout stock. This wave of optimism has led to increased trading volume and volatility in recent weeks. But of course, no stock comes without risks. The fintech industry is extremely competitive, with big names like PayPal, Block formerly Square, Robinhood, and even traditional banks trying to innovate. Rising interest rates could slow down lending demand, and overall market volatility might impact growth stocks like SoFi. Regulatory scrutiny is another factor, especially in crypto and banking operations, which could create hurdles in the future. These are the realities that investors must keep in mind before jumping in. Looking ahead, the next few quarters will be crucial. If SoFi can maintain this momentum, expanding membership, increasing profitability, and launching new products, the stock could very well reward patient investors. On the flip side, if competition intensifies or macroeconomic conditions worsen, growth could slow down. The truth is, the potential is massive, but the journey won't be without bumps along the way. In summary, SoFi's latest earnings report was nothing short of impressive. Revenue surged, net income turned positive, and their product expansion is paying off. Analysts are bullish, investors are optimistic, and the company is building a strong foundation for the future. Whether the stock explodes or not in the short term, one thing is clear: SoFi has emerged as a serious contender in the fintech world. So do you believe SoFi is the next big fintech giant ready to soar? Or are you cautious about the risks ahead? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the stock market and investing trends.